Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the solution of this question, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Here we have to find the value of x. What would be the value of x? So let's start the solution of this question. We have x whole power x power 100 is equal 5 is equal to 100. This is the question. Now I am consider x power 5 as t, so this become x power t is equal to 100, and now I am taking multiply both side by power 5 like x power 5, so 100 power 5. So now I can rewrite means change the place of t and 5, so I can write x power 5 uh, power t is equal to 10 power 5. So next step is we know that x power 5 is t, so t cube power t is equal to, I can write 2 cube 10 cube power 200, so this 5 coming out, so t cube power and 10 cube power 10, so it means our value of t is 10. So here the value of x also would be 10. Thank you.